Hello and welcome back to another demonstration from Space TV. Today we would like to show you guys our Spacecon compression connectors. These are our self-install connectors. We are going to show you guys how to actually crimp the connector onto the cable itself. Now we have a few things going over here. The jar comes with 50 connectors in it. It is the FP03W-SI56- jar. Now we have our own in-house stripper that we sell. This is the STRIP-02. We have a short piece of high quality cable as well as a satellite combiner here. This combiner we are just going to be using in order to do the compression itself. Let us get right in and show you guys how it's done. As you can see, we have already pre-stripped our cable here for us. It's a nice clean connection over there. We are going to now take our connector and insert it onto the cable itself. You're going to push and twist as much as you can up until the dielectric is up and flush with this washer at the top. So I'm going to do 1 or 2 more turns, and as you can see here, it is now sitting nice and flush there with that washer. Now in order to do the actual compression crimp itself, you need to attach it to an F connector, and as you do this you will see that it will do the crimp for you at the same time. So right now I am actually doing my compression crimp. It is now in there. As you can see, I can pull on this and it is not going to come out, which is really nice if you have a customer and their decoders cables are a bit short at the back. Generally the customers just pull out the decoder and they rip out these connections and then wonder why nothing is working. These are really nice. They don't come off easily at all. You almost have to cut them off to get them off. And yeah, it is designed to not come off in the future. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comment section down below, and one of our staff members will be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you enjoyed it.